This is a quick video just to show you some of the ways in which you can use the drummer plugin in a creative way. So what we've got here is one of the tunes I'm working on, and we've got bass, acoustic guitar, all the normal stuff, vocals and things. And we're using the Logic drummer here as the main driver for the percussion. Okay, so let's bring that up. Yeah, simple groove, times 2 groove. Right. So this section here, I quite like the beat, it's great, it's fine, everything's good, but I want to put some crashes in, okay? So how do I do that? So what you do is you find the bit that you want to do it to. There. So this bit from there. So I separate that out, and then I convert that to a MIDI region by right clicking. And now it brings it up as MIDI. I find one of the notes I like, that one. And then let's move up to crash there. Put another one. And then I'm gonna change the beat here. So we got that one there. I'm just going to take those out for this bit. So there we go. And then another crash on the way out. So if we just close this, and then we can just do the same here. Just convert that to a MIDI, and then put a crash on the end here. There we go. Do this to the whole section. There you go. And that's how you convert drummer tracks to MIDI, and how you can be more creative with your drum tracks once you've got things going like this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll do more of them. Thank you.